Hi Dan, here we are again. What a week. Scotland, and now the IRB ruling, and we have England this weekend. Your thoughts?
Well, it is amazing that we've been waiting for the RASSIE ruling and it's now been made, and it's an astonishing ruling. To me, it is a ruling by lawyers who sit in panelled offices and leather chairs. It's not a rugby ruling. It's not about guys and girls who go out and sweat and take each other on in the most physical of games and expect the officials to be on their side. It's nowhere near the dressing room where you trip over bandages and the smell of wintergreen. This is lawyers at work, and the trial of RASSIE, that's what you must call it. It reads almost like a treason trial. There's a lot of talk about code of ethics, morality and all that kind of thing, but RASSIE was absolutely put on trial. And the statement runs to 80 pages with all kinds of things. It's more a law case than a case of rugby law. And this whole thing started because of rugby law. The laws were badly applied. RASSIE was frustrated. He was frustrated about the treatment of his captain. He tried to contact the referee, Nick Berry, who didn't give him the time of day. Then the video was made out of anger, I'm sure, and out of some frustration. And we all felt, I always said it should maybe have not been done, but then it was done. And I believe that RASSIE felt that if he didn't have a concentration on what was wrong with the application of law, we might not have been able to beat the British Lions. So that actually worked for him. Then in this hearing, Nick Berry, the Australian referee, who comes across as an absolute whinger, his version of events is absolutely accepted without any alteration, and they even talk about how sort of honourable he is. Yet Siya Kolisi's version of not being respected, while Alan Wynne-Jones almost dominated the referee, is not even acknowledged. So I think that's going to be an aspect in this whole thing. So 80 pages of ruling. RASSIE is banned for 2 months completely away from all rugby, and his ban will then run till after the Wales series. And it might not be that serious because he won't sit in boxes and he won't be on the side of the field, but he'll still be in the background. SA Rugby's been fined just over 400,000 Rand, and they have the right of appeal, and they immediately announced that they would appeal this appalling decision. It's not about rugby. It should be about the laws of rugby. It's become about worldwide law and treason and all that sort of thing. So that said, now something else happened in this week. We got the nominations for the 4 World Rugby Players of the Year, of which one will become the World Rugby Player of the Year. Now, even that was amazing. In this period, the 4 include a lock, a captain and a flank, and a centre. Not one of the Springboks is nominated. Yet, in the period that was under consideration, the best lock in the world by a long way was Eben Etzebeth, Yetet Itoje. The best centres in the world were and Dialendi. In fact, they're both tremendous players, and Dialendi's become a formidable player. His opponents are all really quite nervous and scared of him. And then, as a captain and a flanker, the road that Siya Kolisi has walked, where he's come from, what he's done, what he's managed to do in terms of bringing his nation with him. He is the most respected captain. He's done an incredible job. So Michael Hooper instead of Siya, I don't believe that either. So anyway, everything from World Rugby is going against South Africa, but the test matches go on. A point I want to make about the laws is we saw last Saturday 3 test matches in a row, and what did we see? The same match situation blown differently. We're just asking for consistency, and there the 3 testers absolutely proved it, that something needs to be done about the mess the laws are in. Now we go on, and it's England. It's a repeat of the Rugby World Cup final in 2019, and what do I say about that? My feeling is I hope England reap the whirlwind. Boys, go out and do it for RASSIE.
Thanks Dan, great as ever. Bye.